Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Xiaomi Redmi 9A. Begin by opening Play Store on both and getting free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then tap on the same options in both apps to set them up. I agree and I acknowledge. Confirm. Continue and allow. In this window though, about new updates, tap on wherever you want to and then hit devices displays. Now select Send at the bottom left corner of an Android and Receive right next to Send at the bottom of Xiaomi. Also on an Android, using all of those categories at the top, select multiple files you wish to send. I will go with only a couple just for example. When you finished, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Got it, in here's some tip pop-up and decide which connection way you want to use. To connect by inputting this key, hit Input key section, type in all of those numbers and choose Receive button. To scan the QR code though, use scanning icon above user guide. Close and add. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point it at the code. Then wait. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!